Carl, what's up, baby brother?
What's happening?
Peep this. Tenpenny just came by. Said that one of them ballers that you and Smoke laid out, Lil Weasel, is getting buried and all the OGs gonna be there.
At a funeral?
Yeah, we just catch all those ball sack ass niggas at one time.
Hey, what up? What's going on, dog?
At a funeral.
Just like mamas.
What up, family?
Let's go pop these motherfuckers
What's up,
out.
man?
What's cracking?
Hey, look, we gotta go do something real big.
Nigga?
What up, kinfolk?
Put Grove
What up,
Street on the
dog?
map for good. For life.
All right, nigga.
Grove Street for
Let's
life.
roll.
We gonna need some allies.
I know all the public bathrooms in the city. Underwear is overrated, man.
You gonna represent the set now, homie?
Cool, what's up? Let's roll.
We gonna roll, homie, or what?
Well, let's make it happen then. Get in, guys, get in.
We go around back and love Sepulcros and sneak over the wall.
Kane, ain't that cat front yard royalty?
Yeah, so if there's a hint of trouble, he's a no-show. Man, you gotta ease up some.
What's your problem, homie?
So.
Come on, homie, move that.
We gotta get there early, CJ.
Hey, you better watch yourself. Bumping into, you know who I am?
How impressive!
Okay, dude. You bumped into me, homie? Where you from?
What's happening, man?
Baller, fool.
Hey, homies, get over here.
Watch yourself.
Hey, follow me, dudes.
Who rolling shotgun?
Get a move on us, CJ. We're gonna be late. this is it. Okay, CJ, come on over.
That essay put dust in my weed.
Get out of my way, I'm a cop.
Shot on things, shit.
Ooh, is you on Sean?
Hey, you too close. Give me 5 feet, man.
You can't beat me, Mort. You trying to get fresh?
Put your girl very clever.
You little punk.
Y'all take up positions and wait for Kane. Here he come. Looks like that buster's wearing armor. Might take a round or two to drop his ass. CJ, you take care of Kane. You guys take care of these other marks.
Respond to attention 17 in southeast Vinewood. Suspect last seen in a dark four-door.
Hey, you need a hold.
Nice one, CJ. I'll get us a getaway car. You guys take out the rest of those bolts.
What you dudes waiting for? Come on, stay close.
We've got a 1037 in South Vinewood. Suspect last seen on foot.
Okay, everybody in, let's roll.
Come on, y'all, get in. Floor the fucker. CJ, one time is behind you.
You always crash it, CJ.
Like, come on. Slow down. Drive, dog, drive. I'ma pass up a double D.
Man, we was a force back there. Everybody go home, stay low. We ain't seen each other all day. Copy? I'll catch you later, Carl.
yourself. Grove needs you.
Hell, you my dog, man.
I know you ain't got no dick, but maybe you got heart, homie.
Let's roll.
Get your fat ass up, stay close. Come on, stay close. Get your fat ass up, stay close.
This dog is beat. Watch that. These biceps is douche. Why you do that shit?
Yeah, you know what? You real ugly, player.